Hey, dude.
You roll the dice, you pay the price.
Yep.
Got my, So what happened?
Well, I was doing a little skateboarding down Laguna Beach, and I decided to do a shoot through the bottom of a semi, and he ended up catching me underneath, rolled me over, got my arm and my hip, cracked my pelvis, and broke my arm in a few spots, but I'm alright. Lay me up for about 3 months and be back at it again. I got 2 breaks in my arm, and I got a fracture in my hip, and that's about it.
What do you, so you won't be skateboarding under any trucks anytime soon?
Not anytime soon. Maybe when I completely recover, I'll try it again.
Now just briefly talk about the first time, and
The first truck?
yeah.
Okay.
And maybe you can touch on this one.
Well, 2 years ago, I got hit by another semi, and I got a compound fracture here in my right arm. My wrist was actually completely torn off this way, and they had to operate for about 6 hours, but they put it on real well and broke a couple ribs, and that was a pretty gnarly one too. This time's not quite as serious as the last one.
But serious nonetheless.
Yeah. Here, maybe I'll show a little of the damage.
So who found you first? Who came?
Well, my friend Andrew was right there, and he came running up and kind of yanked me out of there a little bit, and then the ambulance came, took me to the trauma center. And they've been treating me real good here. Show you a little bit of the damage on the arm. It's not that bad. They're gonna put a cast on it next week. They want to let it air out a little bit.
Really?
Yeah.
It's just flapping around free, huh?
Yeah.
Don't hurt yourself.
About time I get some new gauze on here.
Maybe I can help you with that.
Alright. Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
Tire tracks.
Tire track?
You see the tire tracks?
Yeah, those are nice.
They're pretty nice, huh?
That's all good.
Not bad.
Do you want me to throw some new stuff on? Is there new stuff around? Well, what were you thinking when the truck started to take off?
Well, I was looking right at 2 wheels that were headed for my head, and I just rolled out of the way, and it ended up catching my side. But I thought I was a goner.
What did the guy do in the truck? Did he run up to you?
Yeah, well, he felt the truck roll over me, so he stopped and ran out to see what he hit. Saw me lying there, squished. I was laid out, I'll tell you.
Man, what did he say? Do you remember what he said?
Yeah, he was wigging out. Some guy ran up, though, some doctor or something, took my pulse, and he was on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is it? Can you feel it? Just where it's broken?
Yeah, there's a break here, and then there's a break somewhere around here. Not bad, real clean.
Yeah. Well, you got 2 bones there, huh?
Yeah, the one here's in the wrist somewhere.
Man, you was lucky.
Oh, yeah. The Lord was with me, that's for sure.
You could have got your head run over.
You know what happened was he just started taking off right when I committed to it. My last kick, he just started. So I was going too fast and I couldn't slow down in time. So I grabbed my rail, got low, and slid out. But by the time I slid out, I was completely underneath. So it was really weird. Oh man! There was a bunch of cars stopped. You know, they were stopped because he backed up, and they all saw it.
Really?
Oh man! Must have looked so dumb. Like, what is this guy doing?
Oh man.
God, I did this last minute little glitch though. It totally saved me. Because I started rolling kind of slow and he took off real fast. And the wheels were like right here coming at me and I just went shh, and it got me, you know? It was like, dude, it was so close.
Well, what did it run over first, your arm or your leg?
Yeah, I flipped. I was down this way and the wheels were coming at me and I rolled over and it caught my arm and pulled it back and then my leg and went right over my leg. And this leg was sticking out, you know?
Good thing.
It was really weird, man. I barely made it, man. I mean, that's as close as it gets.
Yeah.
And that's no coincidence. I mean, that has to be the Lord. You know?
Yeah. Totally. Yeah. Gotta do that again. Happy New Year.
Just won't put anything on it.
Look at Mark. He's got Wahoo versus truck at Coast Highway. Where's the
You roll the dice, you pay the price.
Oh, that looks funny. That looks funny as hell. Yeah, he's not gonna recover from any kind of fall on this one. You know what?
That is classic.
That's probably against the rules.
Probably.
So good for you, though.
That's a mental thing.
It's mental therapy.
And you're right back, man. That'd be pretty cool.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, take care, buddy.
Take care. Thanks a lot, Charlie.
No pain, no gain.